making a big announcement that J&J Airlines is undertaking. Hey folks, this is Jason from J&J Airlines. Today is February 25th, 2024, and I have the pleasure of making a big announcement that J&J Airlines is undertaking a major renovation and restoration of our beloved baby blue, our Piper Cherokee 140. We've got paint lined up. We've got the engine which will be overhauled and propeller overhauled. So I'm in Plantation Air Park in beautiful Georgia, and we're going to be getting help from Watson Aero on the engine and Hank here at the local paint shop. So we're very excited. It's going to be probably about 15 weeks, maybe a little bit more, and because in addition to the paint, we're going to be doing a little bit of interior work. You can see the 1965 original paint has definitely served its purpose over the years. I would always joke that I'm just waiting for all the paint to come off and I would polish it aluminum. But I guess that's not going to happen. So stay tuned.